Cleaning up these wiring a little bit, getting the plug and play harness in, just zip tying all this down so it's nice and neat. We got to run the 12-volt power for the EMU Black, and pretty much everything else is plug and play. We do have the wideband wired into the factory harness pre-plug and play adapters, so we shouldn't have to do that. I got to double check how the wiring is required for the wideband on this ECU, but it should be okay the way it is. So we're going to plug this in, wire the 12-volt, start making sure all the inputs and outputs are set up correctly in the map, and start trying to start this thing and getting it tuned. That's it. EMU Black, here we come.
Team SpeedQuest, Lancer Evolution 8. The broken AEM V1 standalone is out. The ECU Masters Black is in, just like Alex LV uses in his cars. He's got a new AC compressor. He's got to have that air conditioning.
Coolie boys.
Them coolie boys. Some of the trims back in. She'll be running soon. Rogart Stu, make sure to check out his channel. He's currently writing a base map for the car so we can see if it turns over.
Working on it.
Then, you know, she'll be tuned on the dyno. We're expecting to put somewhere around 255 to the wheels.
Stage 2 Subaru.
Conservative. It's a conservative tune. I don't know what we're gonna make. We have a Tamiya turbo, built motor. It's got a K&N air filter. So.
That 32 miles per gallon tune, that's what we're doing.
Yep, safe, but two-step though.
All the prop wraps, everywhere.
We're about to light up a Wendy's parking lot in this boy.
That's it.
Trying to figure out who these random are showing up.
Hey, what's up, man? Yeah? I'm Mike.
I'm Kevin.
Hey.
Nice to meet you. DJ.
This is Juan and Stu.
How you doing?
I'm Kevin. What's up? Nice to meet you. DJ.
Like your RX-7?
Thank you. Shot of it actually. What's the full story of all these?
I mean, I don't know. That's a Rocket Bunny S14. That's a GC8 RS. It's about to be supercharged. McLaren 5.0 Mustang rental car.
Yep.
2018 STI. Built Mustang GT. RX-7.
That's not common.
Yeah, man, we always have something out here. So
We're just doing it.
you on Instagram?
No.
Yeah.
He has
350.
Okay. Facebook?
Well, if you ever want it
No,
too.
I don't have it on
Nothing? You no social media?
No
You
social
staying
media?
Staying out that grid?
Yeah.
What crime did you commit? What's done to the RX-7? Yours?
Yeah.
What's done to it?
Is it 12A or 13B?
It's a 12A.
It's 12A?
Honestly, everything basically stock. It has strip height and Harley carb
Yep.
racing.
Pop the hood, man. Let's take a look at it.
I'm so confused. Other than that, I'm surprised I haven't.
It's nice.
I've seen turbos bigger than that motor.
Yeah, it's a 1.2, dude.
So 1.1.
Yeah, technically.
How long you had it?
Next month is gonna be like 4 years.
Wow.
Out of focus?
Yeah, man, you ever want to shoot a video on it?
I like the Super Street magazine.
You want to? Want to shoot one right now?
I was gonna say, have him watch
We got
one
this
real
thing
quick.
where we do this thing. It's called out of focus. So we
Have him
talk
watch
to-
one real quick.
We talk to dudes that own a car, right? But we just want to ask them questions like, what's it like to own? Like, what are the parts?
Just
that are
show
good?
him. Watch
Not
it.
like specs, like actually what it's like to drive
Yeah,
and
what
everything
do you like
every day.
about it and what you don't like about it? You want to shoot it? No, okay. All right, man. You're nervous. It's all right.
P-I-L-A-V.
Yeah, my uncle's just waiting until I like blow the engine before I can 13B it. But
I guess the regular 13B is not that hard, but doing the actual the turbo swap is apparently a huge bitch in this chassis.
They're slow.
Dude, they're slow. That doesn't mean they blow up. Do you know how many motors I saw in 6.5 years at Infinity Go? Like
Ignore
2
this
or
guy.
3.
It's one Mustang.
Like 2 or
Now
3, and they were
everything's
all from
slow.
oil
Boom.
starters.
They are slow.
Slow.
They are
Pretty
slow.
solid
The
motor
E-
is taken care of. Let's be serious.
This video is going on
I like the
10 Big Car
racing
Meets,
Jeeps,
just so you know.
Intake.
What's your Instagram?
Pretty cool.
D?
Like that cool little accent.
That's right, you like the D.
Is it D00 or is it DOO? I forget.
You don't even know your own Instagram.
I don't.
Cool story, bro.
I don't know. I kind of like wanted it with the carburetor.
I just got this because my camera.
Everyone's official, dude.
That
it's
itch
at?
on my nose.
Is it salty?
I got you.
Oh my goodness.
Come here.
Party Gator. Oh yeah.
Look at that boy.
You gonna put it around his neck?
No.
Good.
Your routes, they're constantly hungry and they're just massively fat.
Oh,
And all he
what's
walks to
that?
the fridge and gets
delicious.
Food,
What?
like, how would
bubbly
he be
right
like,
here.
No,
I mean, in fairness,
I'd like
I
to
think
thank our
he's gonna be sad
sponsors
when
for this
we
episode
so,
of Out of Focus.
So if he had the tape off right now, would he be acting completely different?
No.
So he's just pretty
He'll-
chill.
he would be fine. However, if you went like here and that, he would bite.
He might snap.
But he won't. If I'm, I'll show you
He's
how to
chill as
install
hell.
the tape.
He's
Here we
cool.
go, Stu. Stu, you won't hold him?
Here we
If
go.
you
He's
want
way-
to, I'll let you
He's
hold
way
him.
more chill than I expected.
Where's Ben
I don't want
going?
anything insurance
Easy,
related to happen to you
easy,
guys.
easy.
That
Oh!
sounded good. That was a
Get
nice
it,
little
big
high
boy.
five.
Chum, chum, chum.
See if you.
Chum, chum, chum.
Oh!
What's up, buddy?
He's like, put it in.
Wow.
Damn, look at that mouth.
Wow.
And the bites aren't.
Probably not a friendly
they're not
bite.
pleasant.
It's the clamping, right? Like,
Yeah,
definitely
I've
gonna
been
bite.
bit a few
Oh, yeah,
times,
for sure.
and
It's gonna
I've
bite
never
hard.
been
Oh,
bit
look at that.
where
Look at all those
You
teeth.
feel the teeth.
Oh,
You just
God.
feel like
Oh,
squeezing.
God.
like something's really.
Yeah.
But it bleeds though. The teeth penetrate.
Still wanna know what that
right?
mouth do,
The
though.
thing is,
Yeah.
Nope. Oh, going inside.
Yo, that's huge. You okay?
yeah, I'm good.
You sure?
Oh, you look a little.
Yo, you gonna put him down? He's putting him down.
Oh, if you got a Steve Irwin it, I'm good.
All right. So for this guy,
Oh no! How are you gonna put the tape back on it?
No, 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 no.
What are you doing?
it's just eyes. Don't worry.
Oh, I am filming this.
Get closer.
No.
For this guy,
What do you mean?
in order to go, tell me when you want to get off.
Anybody else want to jump on this train?
Anybody else
Ben?
want to get on that?
You want to get on this train?
Hold on. What you're gonna do is we're just gonna cover his eyes.
Okay, you got it, or you want me to do
Got
it?
his eyes.
Oh man!
God.
Oh man!
Yo, them Yeezys are fresh though.
Just like a cat.
Some Yeezys are fresh though. Yo, I put the tape here.
Okay, I got my own.
And his eyes are turning red. Why?
Oh, was that supposed to hold in there?
What? Oh, anywhere you like.
Oh, I didn't.
Or
know.
you can do it on the tape, whatever you want to do. If you hold it on the tape, it looks better for the pictures because then you don't see the tape.
Ooh, Ben trying to get sensual.
It's soft.
Oh, I bet you there's nothing soft about him.
Yo,
You got this.
No, I'm good.
Come on.
I'm
Stu,
good.
go, Stu.
No, I'm good.
Come on.
No, I'm good.
No, we're going
One?
Go once.
One?
Man's gotta get out
Go
of
it
here.
twice.
Oh, okay. All right, cool.
Yeah.
It's a whole lot of noob. I've seen this before in Jurassic Park. Mike, why are you all the way over there?
What's up, that?
You want to try all of them?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Yo, he looks so happy.
Hey, get in the water with him.
We're never gonna get them back out.
That concludes this video in the SpeedQuest garage. We touched some lizards. We held some alligators. We had some cake. Yeah. Let's do it again, boys. Get out of here.
Oh my god.